Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will continue our work on this bandit right here. So in the last episode we have made him move to an enemy, and in today's episode we will make him attack the enemy. Okay, so let's work on this one. Okay, now as you guys know, this move to basically is responsible to make this bandit move towards the position which is given here, and which is the enemy's humanoid root part's position. So while found enemy is true, we want to check whether the distance is so close that we are able to attack. So as you guys know, found enemy is true. Okay, for 4.1 seconds. So what we actually need to do is that we should make this run apart from the rest, so that this loop does not interrupt this mechanism. So if script parent humanoid root part position minus found humanoid root part position. Now we have to add some brackets at this point, because we are basically just doing the same thing as above here, and we're just gonna check whether the difference in this case is well, not greater than 4 or 5 or whatsoever. Okay, and if that's the case, then we want to attack. So okay, as you can see, he would have attacked. Okay, so it works totally fine. Now if we decide to run away, to leave this bandit alone, then this is happening. Okay, and he's able to recognize it once again. Okay, that's good. That's a good sign, because we are now able to actually implement the attack inside of here. We just should make sure that we have some kind of variable inside of here as well. So local attacking, let's say. So this should be false, and the idea for this one is the same as for this found enemy. So as you guys can see, this attack right here, this print has been spammed 53 times in this case, 13 times in this one, and 2 times in this one. And this would have also meant that we would have attacked 53 times. Means the code to play an animation, to swing the sword, to deal the damage, would have run 53 times. And that's of course something we do not want to happen. Therefore, we should always check whether attacking is false, because if that's the case, then we should be able to attack, and therefore turn attacking to true, and then just do all of the code for the attack, and then later on set attacking to false once again. Okay, so that's the idea for that. Now we somehow need to get the code for our attack, and since we have a bandit with a sword, we can just take this basic slash code right here. So let's just go with this one. Let's copy it. Let's go inside of this intelligent script, and let's create a function. And this function right here, let's call it basic slash. Let's paste the code inside of here, and we now need to do some stuff. Let's actually have one animation at this point. Script parent. So you can basically substitute character with script parent. You can get rid of this part right here. You can also get rid of this cooldown value right here. And can also get rid of this multiplier right here. And instead of having some yeah, complex calculation, right, you can just add 10 or 20 or whatsoever. And you can totally get rid of this thing down here. And yeah. So let's put basic slash inside of here, and let's make this thing wait 2 seconds before turning attacking back to false. Now let's see if this has worked. So I'm curious about that. Okay, sound is not a valid number of... Okay, so we obviously wanted to you know, bonus sound. Wait, let's just put it inside of this bandit. Let's see what we wanted to do. Okay, so this seems fun. Let's check it now. Okay, yeah. The thing is that we have chosen the wrong hand for the sword. So let's take the sword model once again. So where is it? Sword. Yeah, handle. Let's move it to the right hand right here, which is actually the left hand from our bandit's perspective. Now, there we go. So now we should be able to do this. As you can see, I have received damage, but for some reason, it suddenly stops attacking me. So let's go inside of here once again. So let's check all of these conditions. So if Ray has a humanoid, okay. So that's basically fine. Why isn't this working anymore? Okay, that's funny. Print, damage dealt. Attacking done. Let's see where the script actually stops playing. Or it just ends, okay. Damage dealt. Attacking done. Okay, attacking done. But he didn't deal any damage. And that is because it probably has to do with this raycasting, okay? Okay, so the thing is that we should probably come up with a completely new damage dealing system at this point, because raycasting is unreliable. So instead of using this raycasting, we should add our enemy as a parameter. So enemy, there we go. Instead of having all of this raycasting stuff, we can just do enemy. There we go. Enemy. Yeah, there we actually go. So let's get rid of all of those ends. Let's move it to the back, and yeah, let's check this out now. Let's see if this works fine now. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay, so that's the way on how you create a bandit which tries to kill you. We should actually go and kill him first before he kills us. Come on, just die already. He's gonna kill me, okay. Alright. One last thing we should consider doing is that let's set this inside of a spawn function as well, because we will need to define some other events which recognize when the dummy has died, or when the bandit has died, I'm sorry. Wait, yeah. Wait. Okay, no. There we go. So, script parent humanoid died connect function. Okay, there we go. So if this bandit has died, then we just want to get rid of the bandit, means we are going to destroy him. We could add some kind of respawn for him if you guys want to. Actually, depends on you. Okay, so he has died and he's now gone. Could actually make him respawn. So just wait 1 second. And in order to make him respawn, we have to do one certain thing. So we need to copy this bandit or duplicate him, and we need to put him inside of the lighting or inside of the replicated storage. Actually depends on you. So I prefer the replicated storage, to be honest. And before destroying him, you will need to clone him out of the replicated storage to any spot. You could, for example, add a part which represents the spot where the bandits always respawn after dying, or you could make the bandit respawn, or you could make the bandit respawn at the point where our previous bandit has died. It is up to you. Let me show you the first method, because the second one has many disadvantages. For example, if you would agree to make the bandit respawn at the point where our previous bandit has died, then your bandit would basically just move around the map. And if you trap the bandit somewhere, then the bandit would be trapped there forever. That would be one big disadvantage. Therefore, I'm just gonna create a port called Bandit Spawner. Just set the transparency to 1 so that this port becomes invisible. Make sure that it is anchored and can collide as faults. And yeah, you can now go ahead and clone this bandit right here, first of all, outside of the replicated storage. So service, replicated storage, clone, x parent, workspace, x humanoid root port. So we are referring to the root port, and we are setting the C-frame to Bandit Spawner's C-frame multiplied with some other C-frame values, because there is a risk that this bandit glitches around. As you can see, this port right here is very near to the ground. If we would tell the script to make this bandit's root port the same position as this part right here, then the legs, for example, would be within the ground. Okay, that would be one possible issue. So let me do it this way. Let's see if it works. I'll just die already. Just die. Works fine, as you can see. This bandit just continue respawn, and yeah, that's it with the Bandit series, in this One Piece series, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If so, leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of you. Leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next video. Also, hopefully start the work of our double fruits, guys. Okay, that being said, I love you. See you.